So today is 11/14/24. We found the problem to the standard change maker. Again, it's 11/14/24. This change maker works good. This one doesn't. When you take all your money out here, and you take your hand and you spin this in there, it won't spin. But the problem with the other one, it just spins freely, easily. So what I'm trying to say, well, that's what I'm trying to say. So if you spin this thing around and it can spin around, then that's a problem. So basically, there was see this little thing that looks like this? Well, there's that thing that keeps this with this shaft together. The one that's right here, that shaft came out. So we really need a needle nose plier, but we don't have one. So we end up so the thing that really helped was to take this piece of metal out. Once you take this piece of metal out by bending it, it'll come out. Then this coin thing is sitting right here. You take those two screws out, which are these two, and then you can get access to this. And then we end up, I had a bent drill bit, so I put a drill bit in here and I hit it, and that thing fell out. But before I did that, I had to put a piece of metal here and line this up where that pin is on the bottom, and the hole that's missing is on the top. So basically,